Hello, I'm Styx. We will learn about Morse code punctuation. Here, as before, we have learned 36 characters, 26 letters and 10 single-digit numbers. Now, we go ahead with the punctuation, at least 5 signal codes. Here's ampersand sign, apostrophe, at the rate sign, colon, comma, equal sign, exclamation mark, hyphen, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, period, plus sign, question mark, quotation mark, semicolon, slash, and underscore. So there are 17 punctuations of each. You could later learn about diacritics as well. Like, comment, and subscribe now.